Open that door right there. The other one. Open it wider. Yep. There you go. We're gonna have to get that door on there. They are very excited. Birds love to be on pasture. We're actually behind our shop right now, but it's grass. And they're loving to eat all of this grass right now.
Copper.
And of course, they're eating bugs. That's for sure. But they are eating a lot of grass. Best chickens in the world are on pasture. I don't care what anybody tells you. Birds were made for grass, pasture, and bugs. Like and subscribe.